So today we're discussing the Clover Go. If you have a business, you know how important it is to have reliable hardware to accept your credit card payments from your customers. Not only that, when you're searching for options, sometimes you can spend thousands of dollars, but you don't need to. The Clover Go works perfectly for most businesses. At SwipeNow, we've been offering all of the Clover line since they came out in 2012, and let me tell you, they have not disappointed. And our service team of techs are here to help. So in this video, we're going to explain some of the key features that might help you make a decision on whether or not you want to go this route. Now, with the Clover Go, rest assured that you can manage your business more effortlessly. With the Clover Go, this little compact yet powerful business companion goes wherever you go. So say goodbye to the hassle of managing appointments, invoicing, or even scheduling your service crews. The Clover Go back office allows you to do almost anything a full point of sale system can do, which not only saves you time, it saves you money, and it helps you become more efficient at doing what you do best, running your business. So in today's video, we're going to show you how the Clover Go can revolutionize your business operations, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business, selling more, and growing your business. Now, I must say, with Clover Go, managing appointments is a breeze. Its intuitive interface allows you to schedule, reschedule, or cancel appointments in just a few taps. Whether you're in your office or in the field, your clients can get instant notifications, keeping them in the loop and saving you time on follow-ups. Now, think about when you need to issue an invoice, right? It can't get any simpler with Clover Go. Its robust invoicing feature allows you to create, send, and track invoices directly right from your device. With real-time updates, you know exactly what invoices are being viewed and paid. So for me, I must admit, I am not the most organized person. So one of the key features that I really like about the Clover Go is the coordination function. So really what it does is it helps you schedule your service crews more efficiently, ensuring that the right person is at the right place at the right time. And I know this can be an invaluable feature when it comes to businesses that have crews of 5, 20, or even 100 people. Now, this might seem pretty obvious that one of Clover's game-changing features is its ability to accept payments right on the spot. Whether it's debit, credit, contactless payments, you can do it all. No more chasing payments. No more calling it into your office and having someone at the front desk key in payments. Because besides, when you do that, you pay more in credit card fees. So this seamless transaction process means that you can do more business on the go and increase revenue from new business and the money that you save. And with Clover Go, you're not just keeping up with the demands of modern business. What you're doing is you're really staying ahead. So if I were you, I would venture out wherever your business leads you and let Clover take care of the rest. Hey, listen, it's time to start focusing on selling more, and with Clover as your trusted ally, SwipeNow can help you integrate this product seamlessly. So if you have any more questions or you want to learn how to add this little trusted ally to your business, don't hesitate to reach out to us at SwipeNow or send me an email. I'd be happy to help. So if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks again.